Alright, welcome to the Journey of Me garden series. So today we're going to talk about these guys here. These are string beans. So I grew some string beans probably about 6 weeks ago, almost 2 months. So look like they're ready to harvest. I have been looking at them and keeping an eye on them. Haven't really learned a whole lot about green beans. This is my first time growing them, but they look like they're growing nice and healthy. You can see down here where you have the green beans and they're looking all nice and ready. So I'm gonna pick a few of them, and I'm just gonna have some guests over today. I'm just gonna cook some of these for nice summer lunch. I noticed that these did have a slow start. I did have to make sure that I watered them regularly, made sure that kept an eye on them. At one point it was very dry, and had to just make sure that they're getting plenty of water. Once I start doing that, they start proliferating and taking off on their own and really start growing. So really excited to see what they taste like. So I'm gonna take a few more. I do have a problem with snails. I do see some snails that come and they eat the leaves up a little bit. So I'm gonna be watching that and do something, maybe put some salt down or something to keep them from coming around. So those are the green beans.